Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the root system and lean angle. This tells you whether correction or replanting is needed. Once done, loosen soil on the downhill side with a shovel to ease movement and place stakes in line with the desired upright position. You and one helper attach straps around the trunk at a soft, lower point to avoid crown damage. Make sure tools are ready and the palm is hydrated so roots bend without snapping during the next lift. You now raise the trunk slowly, guiding the root ball while one person tightens the ratchet a little at a time so roots reseat evenly. Because palms have fibrous roots, you correct a few inches per hour rather than forcing a full upright motion. This prevents tearing. Once near plumb, secure multiple straps to separate anchors to distribute tension and reduce wobble. Then restore soil around the root crown with a loose compost blend to encourage root regrowth, and mulch to conserve moisture and stabilize temperature. You finish by keeping the tree supported and checking progress. Inspect strap points for bark damage and rediton only as the root system gains strength. Over the next months, water deeply but infrequently to promote deep root growth. Once established, feed with a palm-specific fertilizer following label rates. If the lean returns, a split trunk appears, or the palm declines, act quickly. Either replace failing supports or call a certified arborist. That troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.